Our brain is one of the most important organs in our body, and keeping it healthy and optimized is really important for our well-being. 6 factors that can impact brain health and cognitive decline are education, exercise, sleep, diet, high blood pressure, and stress. In this video, we are going to be looking at diet and how what we eat can help optimize our brain function and prevent the early onset of brain and cognitive diseases. A diet known as the MIND diet, which stands for Mediterranean Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay, is a plant-based diet recommended to sufferers of Alzheimer's disease and dementia by medical professionals. This diet also helps reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. The MIND diet consists of whole grain foods that should be eaten daily. Examples of whole grain foods are whole oats, brown rice, bulgur wheat, quinoa, corn, popcorn, whole grain, and whole wheat pastas. A dark green salad along with a colorful vegetable should be eaten daily. Examples of dark green salad are spinach, broccoli, some types of lettuce, and rocket leaves. These dark leaves can be eaten with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. Berries should be eaten at least twice a week. Examples of berries are blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. If you cannot get fresh, then frozen berries are just as good also. Nuts should be eaten daily. Examples are walnuts, pistachios, almonds, and peanuts. Beans and legumes should be eaten every other day. Examples of beans and legumes are chickpeas, kidney beans, green peas, green lentils, red and yellow lentils, black lentils, and brown lentils. Poultry should be eaten at least twice a week. Fish should be eaten at least once a week. Pomegranate or dark grape juice that is unsweetened. A glass should be drunken daily. Foods to reduce in the MIND diet are butter and margarine. No more than 1 tablespoon a day should be eaten. It is recommended to replace butter and margarine with olive oil. Pastries and sweets. No more than 4 times a week should be eaten. This also includes drinks and other foods that may have a high sugar content. Cheese, fried foods, and fast foods should not be eaten more than once a week. Research has shown that eating these foods will prevent the onset of early brain degeneration and cognitive decline. It's important to note that you can start the MIND diet at any age for your improved brain health, as it is not a fad diet nor a short-term solution. It is a lifestyle change, so you will need to give yourself time to adjust to some of these MIND foods slowly into your everyday life. What is the vegan diet? The vegan diet is a plant-based diet that excludes all animal products. This includes not only meat, but also dairy, eggs, and any other ingredients derived from animals. The primary focus of this diet is to consume foods from plant-based sources. Key foods in the vegan diet. Key foods to eat in the vegan diet are a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, which form the actual core of this diet. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, peas, and other legumes are essential for protein and other nutrients. Grains such as whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, barley, and whole wheat products. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and others provide healthy fats and protein. Plant-based proteins such as tofu and plant-based meat substitutes. Healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils such as olive oil and coconut oil. Dairy alternatives like plant-based milks such as almond, soy, oat, and rice, vegan cheese, yogurt, and other dairy substitutes. Foods to avoid in the vegan diet. Foods to avoid in the vegan diet are meat, all types of meat including beef, pork, poultry, and fish. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, and other dairy products. Eggs, all forms of eggs and products containing eggs. honey. Some vegans avoid honey as it is produced by bees. Animal-derived ingredients such as gelatin, certain food colorings, and other additives that are derived from animals. The vegan diet is adopted for various reasons, including ethical concerns, environmental sustainability, and health benefits. The diet is associated with several potential health benefits, such as a lower risk of chronic diseases. Studies suggest vegans may have a lower risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Weight management. The diet is often lower in calories and fat, which can help with weight loss and maintenance. Improved digestion. High fiber intake from fruits and vegetables and whole grains can promote better digestion and gut health. Nutritional considerations. It is important to note that while the vegan diet can be nutritionally adequate, it requires careful planning to avoid deficiencies in certain nutrients that are typically found in animal products. Examples of these are vitamin B12. This is found naturally only in animal products. Therefore, vegans need to consume fortified foods or supplements for this. Iron. Plant-based iron is less easily absorbed by the body. Consuming vitamin C-rich foods can help enhance this absorption. Calcium. This is important for bone health. Sources include fortified plant milks, tofu, and leafy greens. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Supplements are also available. Protein. This can be sourced from legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy products. It is important to understand that adopting a vegan diet involves becoming familiar with plant-based nutrition and possibly learning new cooking techniques. It can also be challenging when dining out, though vegan options are increasingly available in many places. And whilst it can offer numerous health benefits and is aligned with ethical and environmental concerns, it does need mindful planning to ensure all your nutritional needs are met.
What is the keto diet? The idea behind the keto diet is to lower and replace your carbohydrate intake with healthy fats. This helps your body lose weight by burning fat for energy. Numerous health benefits include weight loss, lower blood sugar and insulin levels. It shifts the body's metabolism from carbohydrates to fat and ketones. This diet can prevent the onset of certain diseases, and you can still enjoy a wide variety of food. There are several versions of the keto diet. Standard ketogenic diet. This diet is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 70% fat, 20% protein, and only 10% carbohydrates. Cyclical ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 keto days, followed by 2 high carbohydrate days. Targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to eat carbohydrates around workouts. High protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard keto diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. What is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This occurs when you consume fewer carbohydrates, thus limiting your body's supply of glucose, which is the main energy for cells. The keto diet can be effective in helping you to lose weight. You can stay fuller for longer and feel less hungry, and it can prevent the onset of prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. When you eat less than 50 grams of carbohydrates daily, your body eventually runs out of quick-use fuel, known as blood sugar. So then your body starts to break down protein and fat for energy. This is what leads to weight loss. What foods to avoid in the keto diet? Examples of foods to avoid are sugary foods such as fruit juice, smoothies, fizzy drinks, cake and ice cream, Avoid grains and wheat-based products like rice, pasta and cereal. Avoid fruit except small portions of berries like strawberries. Avoid peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots and parsnips. Also avoid condiments such as salad dressings, barbecue sauce, ketchup and mayonnaise. Avoid alcohol and sugar-free desserts. What foods to eat in the keto diet? Examples of food that you can eat are red meat, steak, chicken and turkey, fatty fish such as salmon, trout, tuna and mackerel, eggs, butter, unprocessed cheese like cheddar, goat, blue and mozzarella, nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, healthy oils such as extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil, also green vegetables, tomatoes, onions, peppers and condiments such as salt, pepper, herbs and spices. It's important to remember that if you have pre-existing medical conditions, then you should make diet changes slowly and in consultation with your doctor. We hope you found the information in this video useful.